Hey guys, we're at UFO here. We're at Dalton's Hold On Garage meet and greet. Got to talk to Dalton for a while. Nice guy. So I'm just gonna walk the line here. A couple cars. And, sick week S10. Shelby. Green Pontiac, we all know that car. That's Crapbox 400 right there. Nice Fox body Mustang next to me. F-350 Ford. I don't know what he's got in there. What's he got in there? He's got a swap in there. Look at that thing. Heck yeah. Corvette. Ford Gasser. That's pretty sweet. $460. Not bad. Not bad. Excuse me, guys. Money. Big block.
You know, the same drag coefficient as a 240.
Yeah, what we plan on doing is taking the engine out. Oh, nice. Move down the Nathan.
59 El Camino. I like this thing. This thing is nice. 4-speed or 3-speed, I don't know. Pause you guys. There we go, we got a diesel G. Do you think it's 4BT swapped or something else? Guess we'll find out. I'll have to take a walk back over there. See what that is. MG? Another MG? Roadrunner. 73?
Yes.
Yes. See, I guessed right. 73. Big wrench tech. You guys on YouTube?
My fiance is, yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's.
What year? 65? Oh, he walked off. I don't know what year this is. I don't know if it's 65 or 66.
It's like a work in progress.
It is. It's this guy here on YouTube. Big wrench tech? Yeah, this is, I guess he owns from here down. All these four. These four, yeah. Nice guy, too. I talked to him for a little bit. Look how mint this thing is. Oh, rusted, a little, we got one hole there. One hole. I mean, this thing is super nice.
But that is exciting to see. It's held up.
Here's Dalton's Mustang. Back in the family. Pause this. Toyota Land Cruiser. Dalton's getting swamped over there. I got to talk to him earlier. There's Jess. Yeah, there it is. There it is. Pretty cool.
I believe you don't find the car finds you.
What a sick week car. El Camino.
I saw this like back window from down there.
Small block?
Yeah, I came around the corner. I was like, the back end looks a little different.
Look at the Volare. Oh, it's Super 6 too, so it has 2-barrel. Road dirt, man, I love it. I love it. I like those things. Nice fucking Monte Carlo. There's a Bonneville. I think the 61. Let's see what it is. Oh, he's got a window sticker and everything. He's got a window sticker on this thing. Pretty sweet. $3,200 for this thing. $3,255. Out the door was $4,354, and I think it's a 61. Is there a year on this thing somewhere? I don't see the year, but I think it's a 61. This you? It is. It's 61? 61. It is 61. Man, that was all the money in 61, huh?
It was.
Damn.
You were knocking on the door of Cadillac territory.
Yeah. Well,
This is
it's
the
right
part-
there with it anyway, but yeah.
This is the part that's actually
Tri-power car.
the two-tone paint was $12.80.
I know, I know.
They just stood back and said, I don't know, Margaret.
Yeah.
That's a lot of money.
You
just
know,
to be
that was
looking
probably
flashy.
2 weeks' pay.
Yeah,
Who knows?
exactly.
Yeah. Is it 389 or is it something?
389,
It is
yeah.
389 tri-power.
Yeah.
Look at that thing, guys. This thing's beautiful. You drive it?
All the time.
Excellent.
Almost
I'm going to
every
pause you guys. Mustang, Fox body, rag top. Look at this thing. This thing's been driven. I like the driven cars. My hips are about done. I'm going to have to trade the cane in for a wheelchair here pretty soon. Square body. Year is it? Unknown. GMC. 84, 85 maybe? Another GMC pickup. This brakes, it says.
Oh, you just still got it. I bet. Oh, yeah. Nice thank you, yeah. Beautiful truck.
Sorry about that, bud. Back at that Jeep, it's got a Mercedes swap in it. Diesel. Pretty cool. Very, very cool rig.
I got quite a couple pictures. Just come here and see that.
Pretty cool. Oh, look at it. It's got a fan on it. I'm guessing that's his intercooler. Pretty neat. Hell yeah. Oh, we drove it over here. No problem. Crapbox made it. I'm going to have to trade this cane in for a wheelchair. I can't walk that far, I guess. See if I can grab one of these guys to grab it out of there for me. What's up, guys? We just got back from the meet and greet with Dalton from Pole Barn Garage. About an hour and a half ride for the old Pontiac out and back. So it's, our 3-hour round trip. 411s, 60 mile an hour, around 3,000 couple RPM, 32, 34, somewhere in there. If we're speeding a little bit, it might have been 3,600-ish. But our car did great. No problems. I'm going to do a quick walk around, And met Dalton. He's a straight up guy, man. I like him. There it is. Of course, it's dark out now, you know, 5:30, which is nice. Not really. But yeah, here we go, guys. There it is. Look at those. We got them lights all hooked up. Oh yeah, nice and bright. That's the low beam. I have 4 low beams and 4 high beams now. I will not be out brighted anymore. But yeah, that's it, guys. Like, share, subscribe. See ya.